Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the flashlight beam on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So on the newer models of the iPhone, not necessarily the 17, you have a new flashlight which allows you to adjust the beam of the flashlight. So you can do focused or you can do flashed, where it's like enlarged. So what we're going to do is enable the flashlight. So you can go to the control center and tap on the flashlight to enable it, or if you have it bound to the side button, you can just hold it and enable it. And once you've enabled the flashlight on the island on the top, you can tap on it and hold to open up the flashlight controls. And now if we hold on the sun icon and drag it down, up, down, left, right, you can customize the flashlight. So if you scroll it up and down, it changes the intensity of the flashlight. And if you scroll it from left to right, it changes the intensity of the beam. So as you can see, it's focused, now it's flush, now it's focused again. And that's how you do it. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.